Tired of boring, unhealthy meals? Today I've got 5 quick and healthy air fryer recipes perfect for beginners. Let's dive in. First up, air frying sweet potato fries. Just slice, season with olive oil, salt, and paprika, then air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Easy, crispy, and healthy. Next, air fryer chicken tenders. Dip strips in egg, coat with breadcrumbs, garlic powder, and parmesan. Air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Crispy outside, juicy inside. Perfect for a quick meal or snack. Kids love these. Try these air fryer veggie fritters. Mix grated zucchini, carrots, onions, and egg and some flour. Form patties and air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. A tasty way to eat your veggies. Crunchy and packed with flavor, a perfect side dish or snack. Now, air fryer salmon fillets. Season with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and dill. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. A quick, nutritious dinner. Flaky and delicious, perfect for a healthy meal in minutes. For something sweet, try air fryer apple chips. Slice apples, sprinkle with cinnamon, and air fry at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. A healthy dessert or snack. Sweet, crispy, and guilt-free. A great snack option. There you have it. 5 healthy air fryer recipes that are quick, easy, and delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite recipe. See you next time and happy cooking.